Hey there. Want a unified view of your entire financial life? Linking your Schwab account to third-party apps like Mint, Personal Capital, or TurboTax can give you powerful aggregation and planning tools. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to link them. The process happens within the third-party app, not Schwab. In apps like Mint or Personal Capital, you'll add an account and search for Charles Schwab. You'll be prompted to enter your Schwab login credentials, username and password, directly into the third-party app's secure connection portal. This grants the app read-only access to your balances and transactions. My crucial pro tip? Never share your credentials via email or unsecured forms. Only enter your Schwab login on the official, secure connection page of a reputable aggregator. Consider using a unique, strong password for Schwab that you don't use elsewhere. Schwab itself offers some account aggregation tools you can explore first. That's how you safely connect your accounts for a big picture view. Do you use an account aggregator to see all your finances in one place? Which one? Share below. For more guides on financial tech integration, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.